Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Accord mortgage account online. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference on your computer, laptops, or your mobile device and tablets. In the URL box, type in accordmortgages.com and search. After you end up in the official website for Accord Mortgage, go to the top right corner and click Login. And you'll end up in the login portal where you need to enter your username or customer number. Go ahead and type it down. Remember that this is not your account number. You'll have a separate username or customer number. Go ahead and type it down. Now, once you do that, click Continue. You'll be asked to enter your date of birth. Go ahead and enter your correct date of birth associated with your account and click Continue. After clicking the Continue button, follow the on-screen instructions and you'll be able to log in to your Accord mortgage account right away. So that is how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.